Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish-brown. The shape is a square with a white outer glow creating dimension. The letters FO are in the center of the square. The letters have a hand-drawn artistic appearance. Backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear. There is a transparent mirror image of the logo underneath.
What's up, everybody? It's Vashaun Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and today we're going to talk about making a plan and sticking with the plan. If you've taken the time out to think through an execution plan, why don't you follow through on it? And I'm going to tell you the main reason right after this why most people don't follow through on their plan after they make it. Right? Here we go.
The words Fedora Outlier LLC in the center of the screen. In each corner, 4 different videos of Vashaun Jones, an African-American bald man. In each video, he is sitting in different rooms in his music production studio. One with yellow walls, one red, one orange, all with soundproofing materials. Headphones, computer screen, keyboards, microphones, various recording gear shown in each of the videos.
All right, so we're back. The main reason why people make a plan because it sounds good. It feels good. I'm going to start a business and I'm going to do this type of thing and I'm going to make it different and I'm going to blah, blah, blah. And you guys know what it is. Everything sounds good in your head. You might even get to the point of putting it on paper, but then you give up. Why is it that we make a plan and we don't stick with it? Why? Because we run across barriers in the beginning that prohibits us from moving forward, whether that's a mental barrier, a financial barrier. You might have told your plan to someone else and they gave you some doubt, some advice that didn't resonate with what you was thinking. They didn't give you 100% praise. And then guess what? You gave up, you quit. So making a plan and sticking with it is exactly that. Now, when do you deviate from a plan? Because you don't have to. It's like, you know, if you're a captain of a ship and you see you made a plan to go this way and there's a big ass glacier, you're gonna have to detour. But the plan is generally your goal, your desires, places that you want to be and go and do. And so there is going to be detours, but do you deviate from the actual plan, the end goal, or do you modify or you pivot to move to the next direction? That's the question you got to ask yourself, but never give up on your goals, because if you give up on your goals, what do you think everybody else is going to do? Nobody is going to push you to the place that you want to be until you realize that this is where you want to be. So listen, don't give up. Make a plan, stick with it. Even if it is a detour that you need to take it and still get to where you want to be. This is Vashaun Jones. This is one to grow on. You guys know what it is. Let's change the world, and let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.